Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to untag yourself on TikTok. Guys, for this video, I'm gonna show you how to do that. So first, just open up your Google Play Store and make sure you are running the latest version of the application. And now, once you ensure it is the updated version, just open up the TikTok application. And then once you open it up, go ahead and go to the inbox down below over here. And then now, guys, over here, go to the activities. And from here at the top, you will see here all activity. Make sure to toggle it into mentions and tags. And from here, you will see all of the mention and tags on your account. Just tap on it. And then from here, you will see here down below. Just tap on it. And then from here, you will be able to remove a tag from this video. And then from there, guys, you have successfully untagged yourself on a TikTok. And there you go. That's how to untag yourself on TikTok. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.